Preheat your oven to 350 grad Fahrenheit. With your 2 oranges, zest them into a bowl and set aside. Squeeze the juice from the oranges and then add to your bowl of zest. Add the following ingredients to the bowl through a strainer. Flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Mix well. Now, add the sugar. Salt, milk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix well until you have a smooth batter and the ingredients are combined. Finally, stir in the hot water. Pour your batter evenly into the 2 prepared cake pans. Place your cakes into the center of your preheated oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. When your cakes are baked, a toothpick into the center of the cake should come out clean. In a saucepan, add milk. And the zest of the orange. Mix gently with a whisk. Now, add 2 tablespoons of the sugar. And the vanilla extract. Place on low heat and slowly heat. This smells amazing. In a mixing bowl, add the egg yolks, flour, cornstarch, and the remainder of the sugar. Mix well. Once the milk mixture begins to feel warm, gradually pour it into the egg yolk mixture, whisking as you go. Continue adding in small increments until all the milk is incorporated into the egg yolks. Once all the milk is added, pour the entire mixture back into the saucepan and continue to heat, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens. Whisk the custard the whole time and don't step away. Stop heating when the custard can coat the back of a spoon and your finger leaves a trail there. Pass the custard through a sieve into a medium bowl to remove the pieces of orange zest. Melt your dark chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments and add to the orange custard. Stir until it is completely smooth and incorporated. Cover the chocolate orange custard in plastic wrap, making sure it touches the surface. Let it cool completely and chill for around 2 hours or so. In a bowl, add your softened butter and confectioners sugar. Mix the ingredients together. Continue mixing with an electric mixer. Beat the butter and sugar until it is pale and creamy, about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, add the cocoa powder and around 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Beat until everything is combined. Gradually add small increments of the chilled custard, 1 spoon at a time, whipping as you go. It should be smooth and thick. Cut your cakes in half horizontally so you have 4 cake layers. Add 1 to your cake plate or turntable and add a layer of the chocolate orange filling on top. Smooth the filling. Then add the next cake layer on top. Repeat until all layers are assembled. Add a thin layer of the filling around the sides of the top and smooth them out. In a small saucepan, add the whipping cream, along with the zest and peel. Heat on low heat until it starts to bubble. Pour the cream through a sieve into your bowl of chocolate. Stir it together until everything is glossy and all the chocolate has melted. Pour the ganache over the top of your frosted cake so it drips down the sides. You can also pour a thin layer of the ganache over the top of your frosted cake. Decorate as you like. Leave at room temperature to set. Slice, serve, and enjoy.